What's up, y'all? It's Mr. Official, and I'm here with a step-by-step routine on how to use Level 3's line of beard care products. Let's start with the shampoo. First, you're going to want to wet your beard thoroughly with warm water. Then, take a small amount of our beard shampoo and lather it into the beard and mustache, massaging it into the beard to ensure even distribution. After that, you're going to want to leave it in for around 30 seconds, then rinse thoroughly. After that, pat your beard down with a towel, leaving it slightly damp and prepped for the leave-in beard conditioner. Dispense a quarter-size amount of foam into your hands. Then, massage the product into your beard and skin, focusing on the areas that are prone to dryness or frizz. Once that's done, simply allow the product to fully absorb into your beard. Remember, this is a leave-in product, so there's no reason to rinse. Now you're ready to move on to the beard oil. First, dispense a few drops of beard oil into your palm and rub your hands together to distribute the oil evenly. Then, gently massage the oil into your beard and skin underneath, focusing on the areas prone to dryness or irritation. Once you've fully applied the oil, you're going to want to comb or brush your beard to distribute the oil evenly. And finally, let's add our beard balm. First, you're going to want to scoop a small amount of the beard balm using your fingertip. Then, rub the balm between your palms to activate it and apply it evenly to your beard. And finally, use your fingers or a beard comb to distribute the balm and style your beard to your liking. By following this beard care routine, you'll ensure that your beard receives the hydration, nourishment, conditioning, and style it needs for a polished and confident look. Get all these products and more right now at L3VEL3.com.